Total gain 21%. Welcome to the channel. Today, we are introducing a brand new powerful trading robot called Forex Vzlomshik Pro. The EA was $599, but you can grab it today for only $20. On the any time frame? This trading robot is specifically made for the EURUSD pair. A minimum balance of $500 is needed to use this EA. Now it's time to see the EA's live performance. This EA achieved a total gain of 20%. While maintaining a low drawdown of just 4%. This EA maintains a 78% win rate, with just 22% of trades ending in a loss. Now, let's open MetaTrader to set up and start the EA. In inputs, you can adjust these settings to match your trading style. The EA is set and ready to trade. Check out our website for full information via extract. We appreciate you watching our video.